If everyone is drowning in debt, then where's all that money actually going? You owe the bank owes investors, the government owes trillions. So is anyone actually getting paid back, or is this whole thing just one big loop? Here's where it gets strange. Most people think debt means someone loses money, but that's not how it works. Debt doesn't destroy money. Debt actually creates money. And once you understand that, the whole system starts to make sense. Let's make it simple. You walk into a bank and take out $10,000. You probably think, okay, the bank is giving me money that someone else deposited, right? Wrong. The bank opens your account and types in $10,000. That money did not exist before that moment. They created it right there, out of nothing. Now you have $10,000 in your account and $10,000 in debt. Both were born at the exact same time. Now you use that loan to, say, start a small business. You buy supplies, pay a worker, rent a space. That money moves to the supplier. He pays his staff. They buy groceries. The shop owner pays rent. That same $10,000 is now touching 10 different people. But here's the part nobody talks about. The debt stayed with you. The money kept moving. You're carrying the weight. Everyone else is just spending. So back to the question. If everyone is in debt, who actually gets the money? Not the bank, they just created it. Not the government, they're borrowing too. The answer is, whoever receives the money and moves it fast enough to never get stuck with the debt. Business owners, landlords, investors, people who sit at the point where money flows in, not where it gets locked. They don't hold debt. They hold assets that keep collecting money. And the bank, they don't care if the money circulates. They care about one thing: interest. Because when you borrowed $10,000, you agreed to pay back $13,000 or $14,000 over time. That extra $3,000 to $4,000, that's real money, earned from money that was literally made up. That's not a conspiracy. That's just how modern banking works. And it works because most people never question it. So, the world isn't running out of money. It's running on a system where money is created through debt. Debt stays with the borrower, interest feeds the machine, and assets collect everything else. The game was never about earning more. It's about understanding where the money flows and making sure you're standing in the right place when it does. So here's the real question. Are you moving the money, or are you just holding the debt?